Hey guys, Lorenzo from Pisces Projects. Today I was going to film a new video with my new camera, the Sony a6400, but that wasn't working out too well, so I'm going back to my regular setup. So today I just kind of wanted to show you guys just kind of an early spring cleanup of my greenhouse. I have a couple of vegetables left over from last year that I want to get rid of. I'm also going to be doing a review on a shipment that I ordered from Mountain Crest Gardens. I also wanted to clean up some of my succulents that I have here that need to be trimmed up and just kind of do an overall just clean up sweep of the greenhouse because it looks a little bit dirty. So I hope you guys enjoy. So these leftover vegetables from last year just didn't really make it. They unfortunately had several hard frosts and just didn't produce really anything. Like these beets just did not make any beets. These carrots stayed very, very small. And these onions are just looking a little sad. So we're going to be ripping out all of these guys today. So it looks like these carrots did happen to produce, but they've been in the dirt for a very long time and they definitely do not look like the carrots you buy at the store. So I'm just going to pop them out and just use them where I can. Next thing I want to do is just clean off some debris that I have just all over the greenhouse because it looks a little bit messy. So overall, I just think it looks a lot cleaner and neater and ready for spring. So now I'm just going to go ahead and move on with the review for Mountain Crest Gardens. So this is the box that Mountain Crest Gardens sent to me and I received last night. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and open it up and just give you my first reactions and my honest reviews. So just a quick disclaimer, Mountain Crest Gardens did not pay me to film this video. I paid for this by myself and this video is not sponsored by Mountain Crest Gardens. So I'm just going to go ahead and take just a box cutter knife to open up the box here. And let's see what's inside. Ah, very nice. So let's see what it says. Thank you for supporting our family owned and operated nursery. Nice. And I assume that's the owner or the manager of the shipping department. So it looks like it's in these little shredded up cardboard little things. So you could just kind of rip this open. Looks like it's also some peanuts in there, some packing peanuts. So what I'm going to do is just kind of just rip them all out and take a look at the succulents. So right off the bat, looks like really, really nice. Looks like these succulents are in very good condition. Looks like they're very hydrated, and it looks like they've been taken care of. So right off the bat, very, very impressed and very, very satisfied. So these are the succulents out of the box and all cleaned up, and I just have to say they are so beautiful. We have some beautiful Pearl von Nürnbergs, some beautiful Graptosedums. I mean, they are just so gorgeous. I cannot wait until I use them in an arrangement. Overall, I would definitely 100% recommend Mountain Crest Gardens because of the quality of the succulents and the immaculate packaging. I mean, these guys were not going anywhere, so I would definitely buy from them in the future. So that concludes today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the new style of video. It's something that I think I could definitely get used to. So if you guys enjoyed that, go ahead and like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.